Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Inspiron 3441 laptop driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download driver. Okay. Next, click on support, then click on driver and download. Then enter the model number Inspiron 3441. Select this. So this is your laptop and click on specific driver, then categorize if you want to install one by one. Okay, so this is the driver. So first audio driver, you just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see then this is a chipset driver, and download and install very simple method too. This is touchpad driver. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Then this is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. Hard disk form rate. So all this is required driver. So I show you how to install. So like this is touchpad, just click on it and click to yes. Now click to install. After that next to install, then it is all the completed, then restart your system. Successfully install and then close it. Then audio driver, it's downloading. Also download chipset driver. Click to download. So try to always, if you have a good internet, you can download one by one. Okay, when it is completed, then download the another. Okay, this is chipset driver. Click on yes, then install. Then chipset installing, slow down. Download, this is also install, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So try latest, just click to download. This is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it will start downloading in this. Audio driver also takes 7-6 minutes start. Chipset install, touchpad install, and network driver it is installing, downloading. After that we will install. So it is done. Audio driver, just single click. Then click on yes for administrator rights. Audio, next install. Then click on next. Now this is installing driver. So you can see that require restart, so no, all install driver and after that restart. Okay, audio driver is successfully installed, then close it. Then next, network pending. Just click on yes for the administrator rights. Install. So you can see there are two options always, extract and install. So you can install directly, otherwise you have to save the driver and after that you have to install. So you can just extract to any folder. Okay, after that you can install, otherwise you can install directly. Just click to install. So it will run in the background and after that it is, you can see, updated successfully install, and then just close it. Okay, then guys you have to restart your system, and if you are installing you getting some issue, so you just check out the Google form link and just fill it. My team will support you and installations driver. Okay, thank you.